We're going to turn the sari into a cancan skirt, and all you have to do is drape it over a fuller, voluminous skirt. You want to create these wide pleats. You want to just repeat that all along the entire skirt. To make it easier for you, you can just move the skirt so that you're constantly tucking into the front and not trying to like reach around to the back where you can't really see. Okay, so in this case, I still have a little bit of sari left, so I can just go ahead and keep tucking. And the last bit, you want to just pleat inside and kind of like hide that so you can't really tell where the pleats start or the sari ends and where it begins. And there you have it.